Data centers are mission-critical workplaces where print production is high in volume, quality, and consistency. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series is the solution. High productivity. Its high-speed engine can print up to 136 pages per minute in A4 and 76 in A3. The toner bottle can be replaced on the fly while printing. The high-capacity stacker can stack up to 10,000 sheets. The new finisher takes full advantage of the printer's high productivity and media capabilities. The top shift tray can hold up to 1,000 sheets, the bottom up to 3,500 sheets, enabling non-stop printing. The booklet finisher supports saddle stitching up to 30 sheets. A wider range of color paper is supported with the new contact image sensor. High reliability. With the new auto recovery function, multi-fed sheets are shunted to the purge tray, allowing the system to recover automatically and continue printing without operator intervention. Process control system. Toner density is regularly checked and adjusted to maintain consistent quality. Mechanical registration corrects paper alignment and enables extremely high front-to-back registration accuracy. High quality. Equipped with VCSEL laser beam technology for high resolution and micro-fine toner that delivers high-definition photos, smooth gradation, and accurate text printing. The Ricoh Pro 8300 series delivers accurate printing in high volume and consistency. Expand your possibilities. Ricoh Pro 8300 series.